Yo, YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Kari here, back again with another video, man. I got some good news. Well, I got some news for y'all, and I got some bad news for y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get straight into it, man. It's hard for me to make this video today, but I just feel like it's important to, I don't know, bring some positive to the situation and help some people out. So basically, my credit card information has been stolen. It looks like it's just for this one card. I found out from my bank, I got like an alert a couple nights ago, and someone was trying to use my card basically, and it looked like they were in the States. Of course, I haven't been in the States in a long time, or I went back for a little while, maybe when I was there in January. The information got leaked or whatever, but yeah, someone's trying to use my card at like Verizon, Pizza Hut, some other like sports muscle stuff. I don't know what he was trying to buy, but anyway, my bank declined it and they refunded all the money, and yeah, I mean, that part's good. Right now, I'm having to sort out the details of how I'm gonna get the card back or get a new one. Rather not get it back, but get a new one. They already sent me out a new card, but of course they can't send it to Colombia. So for me to get it all the way out here, I either could FedEx it to myself, which costs about, I don't know. Last time I FedEx something, it was like $180, but that was overnight international. It was like $180. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that or if I'll just go home and get it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Thank God I have like another backup card, you know what I mean? So, and these are bank cards from the US. Actually, I try to do all my banking, not all my banking through one place, but I try to do a bulk of my spending on a rewards card that gives me really good benefits for rewards. And that's the card that the information got stolen on. It was my favorite card. I'll show it to you. Now, it doesn't matter as much the details. I'm not going to show you the actual number, but this is what the card looked like. A Bank of America Preferred Rewards card. So I'm going to go over why I like this card actually. And that's going to be the positive part of today's video. Trying to make light of the situation. So I decided, I'll do something where I talk about why I like this card, the benefits of using a rewards credit card over a debit card or any other type of card. So this, like I said, this is the Bank of America preferred rewards card, right? And I've had this card for about 1.5 years now. And when I was shopping to get a card like this, I was looking for one that gave me the best benefits for what I like to do, like travel benefits, stuff like that. And so basically I was looking at the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, which I'm sure a lot of you guys might have that one out there. It's actually a really good card as well, and it has a lot of really cool benefits, but I went with the Bank of America Preferred Rewards card for a few different reasons, which I'll discuss with you today. And I don't think the Bank of America Preferred Rewards card gets enough hype, because the Sapphire card is like, I know a lot of people that have that card. I don't know a lot of people that have the Preferred Rewards card, and for me, I consider the Preferred Rewards to be better for at least the way I like to use it. So I'm going to try to do some picture in picture today and give you guys like some information off the website from Chase and from Bank of America, so you can see what I'm talking about. But basically, with both of these cards, you get 50,000 point bonus, right? After you spend so much money. I think it's 3,000 you have to spend with Bank of America, and it's 4,000 you have to spend with Chase, and you get the $50,000 bonus. 50,000 point bonus, which when you convert that over into cash, which you can do on both cards, you can convert your points into debit and into your debit account, or if you want to pay off your credit card or whatever, you can convert that. And for both of them, that's $500, right? But we'll get into how that changes a little bit with both of the cards and a little bit later. But to start out, they both give you that 50,000 point bonus, 3,000 with Bank of America, 4,000 you gotta spend with Chase. So, going off of that, then the second most important thing to me was the points that I'm gonna get. So, with Bank of America, let me just make sure. I want to pull it up and make sure I get the right numbers for you. With Bank of America, you get 2 points for every $1 spent on travel and dining purchases, and 1.5 points on every dollar spent on all other purchases. So you get 2 points when it's travel and dining, so airport, anything at the airport, flight tickets, hotels, rental cars, all that stuff. Anything dining, any restaurants, any Uber Eats, any of that Rappi, 1.5 points for every dollar spent on everything else. So, okay, anything else you get, like doctor, vet, I don't know, whatever else, groceries, that's still gonna give you $1.5 points for every dollar. So, and there's no limit on the points you can earn, and they never expire. So, and then like Bank of America, like I said, you can convert that money you could use it as points and buy like flights specifically with the points, or you could convert it back to cash. And for every 1,000 points is like, every 50, like 100,000 points is like $1,000. So, I guess you have to do a little conversion, but hopefully the visuals will help you out. That's why I want to do the picture-in-picture. So with that, I'll go back over to Chase and just focus on kind of Chase and how their points work. So they give you 3 times points on dining and travel worldwide, including eligible services, takeout dining, 3 times points on, and 1 point per every dollar spent on all other purchases. So with Bank of America, you get 2 points on travel and dining versus Chase, you get 3 points on travel and dining. But with Bank of America, you get 1.5 points on everything else, and with Chase, you get 1 point on everything else. So that's a big difference there. So you get like a half point extra on everything else, which I think is more important unless you're really travel and dining heavy. So for me, I like the offer from Bank of America on that side. And then, you get 3 times points on grocery store purchases, up to $1,000 in grocery store purchases per month. So that's, you have a limit on the grocery store, but you can get 3 times on grocery store as well with Chase. And then you get 50% more redemption value when you redeem your money for, when you pay yourself back, when you convert your money back into statement credit and just like pay down your credit card with the points. You get 50% more. So if you had 50,000 points, instead of getting $500 added to your account, you'll get 750. So that's actually a really cool area where Chase wins for sure. So there's definitely more to look at though. So with Chase, let's see, the annual fee for the Chase card, it comes out to $550. So that's a pretty steep annual fee if you ask me, right? And then with Bank of America, the annual fee is $95. So, $550 a year, and mind you, you have to pay this every year. So that's a lot for the Chase card, whereas the Bank of America is right under $100 for every year. So that's a big selling point. I didn't want to, have a huge yearly fee. Like $100 is a lot better for me than paying like $550. Like $550 is actually a large amount of money, whereas though under $100 is more easy to just kind of, I don't know, for me it just makes more sense, like, I don't know. There's no foreign transaction fees on the Bank of America card, and Bank of America has a couple ways where you can make more benefits with your card, and I'll show you that really quickly. Yeah, so like I said, with Bank of America, you can redeem, I'll show you this, you can redeem your points and turn them into debit as well. And you can send it to your checking account, or you can pay down your credit card. So you can actually get cash out of this money, like cash money put into your checking account or savings account or your Merrill Edge account. So Merrill Edge is their brokerage investing account. Okay, so aside from that, now if you choose to hold, with Bank of America, they have this is why they call it preferred rewards. Still can't say it right. Because if you use them for more services, like, and hold more money with them, your rewards start to go up even more. I don't know if Chase has that. Maybe they have something like that, but I'll show you what Bank of America offers as far as that. I wasn't able to find anything like that on Chase's, so maybe I'm missing something, so let me know. But anyway, if you hold 20,000 or more, or 20,000 to 50,000 to be in their gold range, you get a 5% boost on your interest rate, which who cares really, because it's having a savings account. Hopefully what you would do, because this counts if you have a Merrill Edge account, so you could use them as your brokerage, and that will count and put you in this range to qualify for the preferred rewards that they don't really tell you about that much. So yeah, you'll get the 5% interest rate booster if you do any savings account. And with credit card, you'll get a 25% reward bonus. So instead of getting 2 points for every dollar on travel and dining, you'll get 2.5 points for that. So that's even cool. So you're almost close to what the Chase card gives you when you hold more money with Bank of America. 0 ATM fees on all non-Bank of America ATMs. That's pretty big. You get a discount on their Merrill guided investing. So if you get their advice from them, I guess they charge you less. You get a $200 reduction on your mortgage costs, fees. Home equity, you get an interest rate discount. Auto loan, you get a discount. Select banking services, no fees. So, I mean, probably won't you do a home loan with them or auto loan ever. But, I mean, maybe the mortgage fee thing could be cool. It just depends on you. But as we go up, and there's one thing that I know I have, but I don't know I don't see it on here anymore. So I have to contact Bank of America and see if they still do it. But they were doing, you get like a maybe 5% or 10% increase on your foreign exchange. So if you were to buy foreign money from them, they'll give you like a better rate because of being part of their preferred rewards. I have to see if there's any information on that I can find. But let's look at the 50K now. So if you hold $50,000 or more, up to 100K with them, you get a 10% boost on your interest rate. You get 50% reward bonus. So, geez, like you'll be getting 3 points. You're already at the Chase level. You're getting 3 points on your travel and dining, and then you're getting like, I don't know, close to 2 point something points on everything else. So up to 12 per year, no fee transactions, 1 per statement. So that's funny. You go 0 up to 12. ATM transactions, 0 non-fee transactions. So no fee, but this one says up to 12 per year with no fee. So I guess you go down with the 50K. That's interesting. Maybe I'm missing something. per one statement cycle. With you get a discount with them when you get their whatever product this Romero Gilded Investing is. You get $400 reduction on your mortgage application cost fees or whatever. Home equity, home loans, same all. You get a higher rate basically. And then if you hold over $100,000 with them, this goes up to 20%, which is pretty good. You get a 75% boost, so you're past the Chase Sapphire rewards. You get unlimited, no fee transactions situation. $600 off your mortgage services. It's just crazy. So when people hold a lot of money with Bank of America, they show love with this program. So that's basically what I'm showing you. And then with both cards, you do get a travel statement credit for like TSA pre-check or global entry. If you want to enroll in one of those programs, like I think Chase gives you 300, and then Bank of America gives you 200. I think TSA pre-check is like at $85 or maybe $185 or something like that. So anyway, man, the point I wanted to make this an informative video, and the point was, or what started was that my card was stolen from me. So I do have to go figure out how I'm gonna get another one of these. It's probably gonna cost me more money than it should be just because I'm out the country. But it is what it is. It's the situation. I think someone probably skimmed my information from either online or I don't know, maybe a retailer that I use in the States, or maybe it could be one out here. Who knows? With the scamming stuff, it's just like it's really hard to track that stuff. So who really knows? But yeah, man. I don't know. I'll be using not my favorite credit card for a while, and yeah, I hope this video will help you guys. Position yourself so you can take advantage of the money you spend. And if travel is something you like me, then hopefully this video can help you travel more and help you find a way to find financial freedom in your life. I'm not there yet completely, I'm on the road, so whenever I can, I'll do my best to try to drop some tips and any good information that I feel is valuable, drop it to you guys, And both of these credit cards are excellent credit cards. The Chase Sapphire is a part of this video as well, not because it's not as good or whatever, it's just as good of a card and a good program to enroll in. Another notable mention is like the MX Gold, all the MXs pretty much. The only thing with MXs is their annual fees are high as well. And I really like the Bank of America. I've been using Bank of America since my first, transaction basically. I think that was the first bank I ever went to open up an account. So I have a long history with them. I don't know what it is. It's just, when it comes to like, when you use a company over and over for years and years, you just like become attached or committed or loyal to them. And so that's pretty much my story with Bank of America. And yeah, shout out to them for keeping my card safe and taking care of everything really quickly. They sounded the card immediately, like hit me up, and so shout out to Bank of America, man. I'm gonna keep rocking with y'all until further notice, until I open up a bank myself or something. That would be crazy, but man, I appreciate you guys staying to the end and watching this video, and hearing what I got to say about this topic. And hit me up on Instagram at Kari.hq. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely hit the likes, man. The likes are gonna be very important in getting this video out to other people. So yeah, man, I appreciate y'all tuning in. I'm Kari. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Peace.